When we really learn how to work with the body, when we really learn how to listen and embrace the body in all of its colours, in all of its emotions and sensations, we can really have a rich, profound experience of life. It's like an orchestra, you know, you like have high notes, you have low notes, and there's no better notes than the other. You need each to create the symphony, the harmony, the beauty, the experience. That's what the body can offer. And it doesn't matter if you're poor, if you're rich, if you're educated, uneducated, it really doesn't matter. There's a full life to be lived in the body, regardless of life out there.
If you can just actually simply feel a single emotion, to actually truly be in a single emotion, is a spiritual awakening in itself.
You could literally just come to this planet and work with the body and have a better experience than probably 90% of people that come and go from living in that way. It's rich. It's rich. It's Moorish. It's Moorishly rich. Yeah.
Now, a lot of people will have gone through their whole life and they never will have fully actually felt, actually been in a feeling. Because most people are living in their minds, living in their heads. And it's the feelings in the body which pushes up into the heads. The feelings, because they've been quite difficult, they push awareness up into the thinking, and this thinking process moves through the head, and that dissociates you or takes you out of your body. So to reverse that process, to bring awareness down into a feeling, to fully be in a feeling, to fully feel a feeling, to fully have all of your attention and all of your awareness in a feeling, takes you out of that thinking process, and then you're just 100% present in the body. And when you're 100% present with a feeling, then that thinking isn't moving, and then you're right there in the body, and you're right there in the present moment. And in doing that, something happens, and that feeling, which might have been contracted down in the heart or the belly, starts to open up. It can open up within your nervous system, and then a transmutation of energy takes place.
So the only way that I know of to heal trauma and conditioning and repression is through the body, and it makes perfect sense because that's where it is, that's where it's held. And when we start to build this relationship up with the body, that's when we start to heal. We start to have a more functional, holistic, healthy sense of who we are, and that is the trauma that's been integrated from feeling the body.
We've cut off from our bodies because at a certain point we started wanting to cut off from our pain. But in cutting off from our pain by coming up and becoming intellectual beings, we also cut off from our natural state of joy. We cut off from our natural state of being in connection to our being. So when you come back down into the body, then naturally you reconnect with the joy of being. And you fill your body with that being. And that being, that body of yours becomes more alive,